Today we are going to start chapter 8 in class 11th business studies. The name of the chapter is Sources of Business Finance. Now what do we mean by business finance? It refers to the amount invested by the owner in the business. It may be owner's fund also, or he may have borrowed it from others and invested into the business. So we can say that business finance refers to capital funds and borrowed funds invested in the business. Business finance refers to capital fund and borrowed funds invested in the business. The initial capital is contributed by entrepreneur may not be sufficient to take care of the all financial requirements of business. So the entrepreneur may decide to issue more owners fund in the form of equity shares, or he may borrow from the market, either from financial institutions, or he may issue debentures. Okay, various sources are there from where the funds can be arranged. Some funds are required to acquire the fixed assets like plant, machinery and other assets, and whereas some funds are required to operate or continue the day-to-day operations like purchase of raw material, paying salary, paying electricity bill, etc. Now the financial needs of the business can be categorized as: first, fixed capital requirements. Fixed capital requirements are required to acquire fixed assets like land, building, plant and machinery, okay, and it remains in the business for a very long period of time. Working capital requirements are required to meet the day-to-day operations, and it is required to acquire stock, raw materials, pay the bills, okay, and also meet the expenses like salary, wages, taxes, etc. Okay, for day-to-day requirements the amount required will be known as working capital. Okay, and to acquire fixed assets and the money which is invested for a longer period of time will be known as fixed capital requirements. Now the sources of fund can be broadly classified into three categories: on the basis of period, on the basis of ownership, and on the basis of generation. Okay, on the basis of ownership, it's owner's fund like equity shares, retained earnings. Now equity shares can also be classified under long term because it remains in the business for a long period of time. In the same manner, retained earnings can be considered as an internal source. Okay, like equity shares, retained earning is also considered as internal source. Okay, and it is also a long term source. All the owners fund generally are considered long term sources of funds. Okay, in borrowed funds it may be debentures, loan from bank, financial institution, public deposit, lease financing, commercial papers. The features of each form of or source of fund we will be discussing in detail in the later videos. Okay, long term sources refers to the sources of fund which is available for more than 5 years. Okay, medium term is a source of fund which is available for the business from a time period of 1 to 5 years. Short term, which is available for a duration of less than 1 year. Okay, owner's fund, in case of sole proprietor it will be the amount provided by the sole proprietor. In case of partnership firm, the amount invested by the partners. In case of companies, it will be in the form of equity shares. Okay, borrowed fund we have discussed. The company or the sole proprietor is borrowing from outside, which has to be returned along with interest. Internal sources, the owner's fund and the profits earned which is not distributed to the shareholders, which is retained in the business and invested for the growth. External sources are financial institutions, loan from bank, preference shares, public deposit, debentures, lease financing. Okay, these all are external sources which has to be returned along with interest. short term sources, like when the goods are purchased on credit, so trade creditors are a short term source of fund. Factoring, banks providing commercial cash credit or overdraft facility. Commercial papers available for less than 1 year, all are sources of funds. Okay, so on the basis of period, it's long term, medium term and short term. On the basis of ownership, it is owners fund and borrowed fund, and on the basis of generation, it's internal sources and external sources.